Hello, my friends. Hello, creative souls. How are you? Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you are doing well. Man, so Valentine's Day brings up so many different emotions from totally love, happiness, but also it's like that bittersweet brings about some sadness too, right? Working with my therapy clients today, I had like both ends of the spectrum. I always call it like bipolar day. I don't know if that's like politically correct, but definitely dealing with two extreme emotions. So I hope everyone is doing well today, and I'm sending you my love. I posted a blog post about how to manifest with mantras, and I wanted to give you some tips and tools about how you can tweak it so that it can work for you, right? So on my blog post, I have some images such as "You are enough" and "Listen to your intuition," and let's see, "Pause for the present." Hello, whoever's here, you're welcome to say hello. I always like to know who's on, who watches the replay. And then "We are here to love." So we are here to love. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into this in just a moment. I just wanted to refresh from last week. I talked about manifesting with, I was reading the book Universe Has Your Back by Gabriella Bernstein. Excellent book. And hey, Kim. So one of the techniques that she had mentioned for manifesting was to create what you want to manifest and put it in a triangle. Now this is from John of God. So he's like this super manifester in Brazil. People go to him and claim their wishes. And so I had put this in my triangle thing that I have in my my dining room. It's like a triangle wooden square. So you could put your wish into a triangle or a box, right? You leave it there for a week. So this was last Thursday. I put mine. I just got mine back. And then today I'm supposed to burn it. So I have my candle here. I'm actually gonna light it now, but I'm not gonna burn it here because I don't want to like light a fire because I have these beautiful peacock feathers next to me. Woohoo! And I don't know how flammable they are, and these curtains. So anyway, I'm just for symbolic purposes, I am lighting my candle. Woo. And I am going to actually burn it near a sink as soon as we get done with this. But let me try it out, right? We all have wishes. So this is one manifesting technique I think that we could all try. I do this on the full moon as well. It's always really fun to burn and then like wash it away. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting that in here as soon as we're done. Okay, so going back to manifesting with the mantras. Hey Oliver, I'm so happy you are here as well. This is a technique that I actually use daily, and I was reading Think Grow Rich, if you ever read that. It's an excellent book, and the writer, Napoleon Hill, he talks about how when you have affirmations or mantras or something that you're repeating to yourself every single day, how it unconsciously goes into your brain, and that if you have any sort of doubt or limiting belief that's stopping you, by reading something continuously, it actually turns it into a belief, because you see something so much that you believe that it could actually happen and it could be real, right? I mean, I know I've talked to Kim about this, about how like street artists, how Obey Giant, Shepard Fairey, he started putting his these stickers all over San Francisco, and everyone kept seeing these giant stickers, Obey Giant stickers, and seeing them so much, people thought they were important. They weren't really important, but when you see something, that's like major marketing anywhere. The more that you see it, you start to believe that it's important, right? So the same thing with affirmation, same things for whatever it is that you want to manifest. But the point here that I wanted to talk about is that I want it to be relatable for you. So create something for you. And this is something that you can create and put a reminder on your phone to see every day, or you can do a drawing like I did and then post it out. You could color it, create art about it, do whatever you can to put it into your life and getting it into your unconscious so that you do believe it. Hey Janine, so happy you're here as well. So for example, I'm gonna just give like a few examples here. And if you have an example too of something that you wanna manifest, you're not sure how to word it, we can help each other, right? So for example, that's someone that's, say, struggling with love, right? And they wanna manifest more love in their life. Well, we are source, we are connected to source, which is divine love. So we are already that. So we just have to like tap into that. And there's so many different techniques and tools to tap into it. I love meditation. So an affirmation could be, I am love, right? Knowing that you are love. But if you are having a lot of blocks and maybe disbelief and maybe of your worthiness or just feeling that, then you can change that affirmation to be something more of like, I'm learning to receive love more easily, right? It's a little bit more digestible because I am love might seem too far away, but if you could just open your heart a little bit, right? And just saying, I'm open to receiving, or I'm learning to receive love more easily, or I'm learning to give love more easily, right? All right, so that's one. For another example would be someone that might be feeling some pain, like physical pain. I know that I've talked to someone here in this group that is suffering from some physical pain. Instead of writing a mantra that would be just totally positive, like, I'm feeling great, I'm feeling great, that's not really going to resonate because, you have to embrace that you are feeling pain, right? And you have to do something about it, whether it's going to the doctor or whatever. But a mantra that could be helpful would be, I'm learning to manage my pain to feel good. Okay, so it's just opening up. Yesterday I was trying to open up this bottle and it like totally hit my finger and it was like throbbing. It was very painful. And there's this Buddhist quote I remember reading. It says that, if you stub your left toe and it's in pain, just focus on your right. And I totally did that yesterday. It was like I hurt my left hand and then I looked at my right thumb and I was like, I'm giving my attention to you. I'm giving my attention to you. And then it did take a couple minutes for the pain to go away because it was just kind of like one of those shockers, but it really did help. It was like I took away that attention. So it's kind of looking at it that way as well. And then money. I know money's a big one for a lot of people, right? People always want more money, and because it brings pleasure and it's one of our desires and all that kind of good stuff. So this is one of the mantras that I have. It's called Money Flows Easily to Me. And I put that actually on my phone and it comes up every day. And I get very excited when I see it, just as like I do a dance party every time I look at my bank account. So looking at the mantras, and then maybe tweaking it. So another one that I have is that, I'm an artist and I do commission work and things like that. And sometimes people are a little slow in paying me, right? And so I was like, you know what? I need to change that a little bit. So I made a new mantra, and my new mantra is, I get paid for my awesome work and I get paid on time, right? Yeah, I'm standing up. I'm saying, universe, I get paid for my awesome work and I get paid on time. And that is my mantra, right? So I'm putting that in. I'm like putting in my order and letting the universe take over, right? And it feels good. Like even just saying that, I feel good about it, right? So I'm so curious. I know that a few of you are on here that you are welcome to let me know your mantra. Maybe I'll make some art about it and I'll send it to you. But yeah, or you're welcome to go to my blog and download the ones that I have. I mean, honestly, I wrote the You Are Enough one when I was feeling that I wasn't doing enough. When it was a time when I was like giving, and I still felt like I wasn't enough or I wasn't doing enough. So this is when I wrote that. So it really does help change that vibration, change your frequency, right, around something. All right, if you have any ideas, suggestions, you're welcome to leave a comment. I'm gonna go ahead and put the blog post down at the bottom. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And, maybe you should go write your little letter to the universe, your little note to the universe, and put it somewhere for a week and come back and burn it. So I'm gonna go do that now. All right, take care, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.